Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shirin, and in this video I'm gonna do this look right here, the smoky eye and nice golden lid and a nude brownish mauvish kind of a lip. I'm gonna do this really nice matte look today, and I think this look will really flatter all western and ethnic outfit, and this is really cute look. I think it's just so brilliant. So without any further ado, just jump into the video. And also, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So let's jump into the video. So starting off with prepping up the skin, I'm using the Good Vibes Sweet Germ cream, dotting it all over my face and massaging it into my skin. After the cream is dry, I'm going to use a Blur Perfect primer from Lakme, just warming it up and just pressing it into my skin to make sure foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm taking it on my hand, just dotting it all over my face. I'll be using a dense brush to just make the foundation very skin like, and I'll be just brushing it all over my face. And I'm just concerning first on the T-zone and then on the outer part of my face, and then just brushing it really well. With the help of the fluffy brush, I'm going to pick the banana shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette to just mattify my skin and just set the foundation into place. I'm just first gonna press it into my skin, then I'm just gonna do it in a circular motion to make sure the powder melts into my skin. And here my hairband falls. So carving out my brows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. From this I have picked the gray shade, and I'm filling my sparse areas and just lining my upper and lower eyebrows to carve it out. So you can do it according to your convenience. My thing is filling the sparse eyebrows from the outer part, so I'll do it on the same I'll do it the same on the other eyebrow. Using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm just gonna prime my eyelids and just carve out my brows from the lower part, and just focusing for the light, I'm just gonna focus on the outer and inner part. Taking a dense brush, I'm just gonna brush it and just press it below the eye and brush it on the lid for priming the eyes. So I'm gonna do both on both the eyes, and here's my eyes are done. I'm just gonna set it with the same powder, banana powder. Here I'm using a Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm going to pick up a skin like shade to dust it all over my lid. And then I'm using a darker shade than that and just focusing it on the crease. And then I'll be taking this dark brown shade with a tapered brush. I'm just going to focus on my crease to deepen the crease. Now I'm going to blend the eyeshadow in the crease with the help of tapered brush, and I'll build the brown eyeshadow. Taking a flat brush, I'm going to pick this gray shade and place it on half of my eye, and making a V kind of uplifted effect. It will give a uplifted effect with a really light eyeshadow. If you do, taking this black eyeshadow, I'm just gonna line my upper lash line, and I'll just line it in a way that it makes my eye look like I have applied my liner. So I have made it in a way, so as you can see, it looks really pretty after blending. Now I'll blend it with the tapered brush, and yeah, after it blends, it looks really pretty. You will see. Now you can see it looks really pretty. Applying eyeshadow, golden eyeshadow on the lid, the combination is so pretty. I love it. taking a gel eyeliner from Maybelline, I'll just line my upper and lower lash line to just give it some thickness. So here I will just extend the liner a little bit so that my eye looks lifted. As you can see, it looks lifted. I'll take this black eyeshadow and just intensify the liner. Yeah, you can see the effect. It looks really pretty. And now I'm extending the liner so that the eye looks more lifted. Taking this white eyeshadow, creamish eyeshadow, I'm placing it below the eyebrows so my eyebrow look lifted, as you can see. Now I'm done with both of my eyes, and I'm just gonna pick up a light shade and just smoke my lower lash line to just soften the lower lash line. Now you will see the effect will come out so good, and you have to do it in upward motions to give a lifted effect. I'm using the Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara and just putting it on my lashes to just coat my lashes, and this mascara gives a falsy effect. If you are a falsy lover, then I'll probably obviously take falsies, but if you are not, you can just use this mascara on its own. Now I'm applying these falsies. If you want to see a falsie tutorial, it's just really easy. I'll just film it up for you guys, and you can see I have applied it very easily with just my hands, not even tweezer needed. And yeah, you can just comment in the comment section below. Now I'll be using the Maybelline Master Contour palette, taking this really nice Barbie pink shade. I love this palette for everyday purpose. I'll apply it on apples of my cheeks and my nose. Oh, so pretty. And now taking this brown shade, a cool tone brown, for daily purpose. I think I'll just apply it on the cheekbone and my nose as well. I'll contour my nose, my jawline, and yes, I'll be using this pink lipstick. I'll mention it in the description box below. And if you don't get this lipstick, you can obviously, I'll link some dupes for this lipstick. This is such a pretty lipstick, really nice pinky kind of lipstick. I love it. But I think I should go for more, intensify the lid more. So I have intensified the lid with the goldeny shade, and in the inner corner also, to just give some light. Here I'll be using a brownie nude lipstick from Lakme. I'll link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, with that my tutorial finishes. Do not forget to like, share and comment on my video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to it, so to get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, I take see you off. Bye bye.